Hi, welcome to Chats with Flo. I give self-development advice for your everyday life. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make your husband feel special. I'm going to discuss 5 tips, so make sure you stick around and watch the full video. Tip number 1, compliment him. Believe it or not, guys like compliments too. For example, with my husband, whenever he wear a particular color that I like, or he have an outfit on that I like, I'm gonna tell him, I says, oh, that looks nice on you. Or for instance, when he smile, I love the way he smile. I like that he have dimples, and I tell him that. I tell him that I like his teeth. My husband looks nice for his age. And I tell him that often, how that you are a nice looking man. The same way that we like compliments, guys like compliments too. And whatever compliment that you give your husband, make sure it's genuine, the way that you actually really feel, because they can tell the difference. Tip number 2, tell him that you appreciate him. Tell him thank you for the things that he does for you. A lot of times, it's so easy for us to focus on things that we wish that our husband would do or even say to us, but we don't even recognize the small things. For example, whenever my husband cleans up the bathrooms in the house, I'm going to say, thank you. I'm so glad you did that for me. When he vacuums or when he cooks, I say thank you, because he don't have to do those things for me. And so I want to always praise him when he does something good. It's just like when you have a child. As a parent, you don't want to be that kind of parent that you always focus on something bad that they've done. You make a big deal out of it. But what you should do instead, whenever your child do something good, praise the child. Tell them that you're proud of them, or that you're so glad that they did that. And it makes them want to repeat the behavior, for they can get that praise from you. Same way with your husband. He will want to repeat the behavior when he notices that you are thankful and that you even notice it. Tip number 3, buy him a gift. When you're out shopping, instead of just buying yourself something or buying your children something, if you have kids, pick him out something too. It really don't have to do with how much it costs. The small things that you do are when you are out, and just because you bought him a gift, it's gonna make him feel good, because he's gonna know that you were thinking about him too. Tip number 4, cook his favorite meal. You don't have to be a great cook to cook him a good meal, and it may not even have to be his favorite meal, but something that he like. You can always go online and Google certain recipes, or just go on YouTube and look at some cooking videos. That will make him feel special, because he's gonna know that you took out time and you prepared something that he likes to eat. It's an old saying, but it's true. One of the keys to a man is through his stomach. And once you cook for him, fix his plate, wait on him, treat him like he's the king of your castle. Tip number 5, seduce him. Your husband needs to know that you need him physically. Tease him. When I say tease him, you can tease your husband. You don't even have to say anything. Just put on something that's a little revealing in the evening time, something special for him. It's nothing wrong with you enjoy being intimate with your husband. Connecting with your husband is how you express yourself only to him. I hope some of the things that I discuss can actually be a help to you. And if so, share with me which tip that you like the best. I would also like to know, how do you make your husband feel special? Thank you for tuning in to Chats with Flo. Have an awesome day. Bye.